Hello, in this video we're going to discuss the truth about Jupiter and Saturn and many other planets that people consider to be gas giants when they are in fact not. So these large planets are not gas giants. They do not wholly consist of just gas. It is an assumption and it is a theory. It is never proven, so it's not scientific. Unless someone physically sends something there that sends data back. It is just a theory. It is not science. So, the truth is, both planets have a shell. That's how God created planets. The gravity is 1g. The gravity on this planet is 1g, and the gravity on the Sun is 1g as well. If it were more than that for Jupiter or Saturn, they would literally pull all their satellites in. All their moons would get pulled in, all the debris would be pulled in, there'd be no rings around either planet. So there's 1g of gravity, and the reason for this is God has to inspect the shell. If it were more than 1g, God could not do that. He has to physically go there and walk around and inspect it. So that's another unusual thing about Jupiter and Saturn and the Sun. People assume because of its mass it must have a lot of gravity. They do all sorts of mathematical calculations, try and explain on paper, but the reality is it is just 1g of gravity. Because remember, God has to inspect the shell before it is turned into a planet or a star. So all of them are like this. Moons are less gravity, there's less required in order to achieve the result of a moon. But for a planet, it is necessary to be 1g. It is consistent throughout the entire universe. What might be found is that these planets might not have as violent a weather system as people think. It may in fact be possible to send a satellite down there and have a closer look. I am the Archangel Daniel, and I'm from heaven.